Today, I'm going to cover grouping users into user groups. User groups are used all across the system, from filtering our reports, to enrolling users, to dictating what branding a user sees, and what a user has access to, and much more. User groups are foundational to everything inside the Axis learning management system, so it's important to take advantage of them. If you've already gone through the Getting Started training videos, you have already created a user group, perhaps without you even knowing. To start, I will create a user group, and then add some users into that group manually. Begin by going to the Users tab, selecting the User Groups tile, then clicking the Add button. This will bring up a prompt for us to enter our new user group name. After we submit our new name, I'm going to scroll down slightly to confirm the group has been added. After creating the group, you can choose to use automations to facilitate users coming and going into the group. As the topic of automations is quite large, and there are already other videos on the topic, I will skip talking about them here, and I will continue to keep things simple. I am going to manually add some users into this group I just created. Depending on who I want to add, new versus existing, I could either go to the Add User screen, where we'll see my new group now lists under the Step 1 section as an option. Or if I'm working with an existing user, I can search for the user by name, or some other criteria. Once I pull them up, I am selecting their Manage User Groups tile, which allows me to manually add this user into any of the user groups I've created. If I go back one step, you'll recognize that based on my search, I have a few users listed here that meet my search criteria. Rather than manually enroll just one individual, I can also enroll this entire collection of users by using the bulk action tools at the top right. I select the action I want to perform, and in this case, the group that I want to enroll these users, then I click OK. I can return to the Manage User Groups listing, and confirm that all the users have been added to the group I created earlier. There is more to talk about with user groups, especially involving automations. But for an introduction, the important takeaway is the foundational importance of user groups inside the Axis learning management system.